Hi guys! TikTok order. Good morning guys! So today is August 4 and ngayon na yung pasukan namin. And nagising ako kanina mga 5, actually hindi. Nagising ako mga 4:20 AM. Tapos din ako nakatulog ulit pero nakahiga lang ako sa kama. So ngayon, ginawa ko lang is naglalaba ako ngayon. And inayos ko yung dorm ko kasi ang gulo niya kagabi. Pero since pagod na ako, natulog na lang ako agad. So ngayon, senior na ako sa college. And like, ang bilis ng panahon. Pagkakatanda ako, junior lang ako noon. Freshman lang ako noon. So ayun, I'm just very grateful of course dahil alam mo yun, throughout my journey naman, I'm so happy and grateful dahil na-enjoy ko naman ang college life ko. So, ngayong mag-4th year ako, I want this year na maging memorable and fun, of course. So, ayun, let's see. So, para sa breakfast, I will be making a, ano ba masarap? Chia seeds with yogurt. So, i-expand ko muna yung chia seeds sa water and then lalagay ko yung yogurt. So, ganun lang. And sometimes nag-a-add ako ng collagen sa food ko. Mix. So, guys, punong-puno na yung nilagyan ko ng mga pampasyal ko. Hindi na siya nako-close. Okay, so as you can see, nag-expand na yung chia seeds. So, ilalagay ko na yung yogurt. So, ganyan na siya. Kain. This is my makeup look. Ayan. Tapos nakapag-diffuse na rin ako ng hair ko. And mamayang 11:30 pa yung pasok namin. Pero baka pupunta na ako mga 11:20, ganon. So, ayun. I hope talaga na everything goes well ngayong SEM. And sana maging full of fun memories lang. And ayun. Good luck! Hirap naman. Wala akong ID. Today is Tuesday and ngayon wala kaming pasok since Tuesday is our rest day. And buong araw, wala akong masyadong ginawa except maglinis, maglaba. Tapos, nakahiga lang ako, nanonood ng mga YouTube videos, gano'n. So ngayon, bibili ako ngayon sa SM San Lazaro ng mga groceries. Ayan yung pimples. May pimples ako ngayon. Saturday is Wednesday and wala kaming pasok ngayon sa basta ayun, basta wala kaming pasok. So nag-makeup ako kasi may date kami sa this week, baka sa Saturday or sa Sunday kasi wala ulit kaming pasok sa Saturday. Yes! And ito yung makeup look ko. I also use basta secret lang. So ito yung dress na gagamitin ko if ever. This is my makeup look. So this is my makeup look. See, ginamit ko na yung eyeliner and it's so fine. Ayan. And ang ganda ng eyeliner. I love it so much. Madali lang siyang gamitin. And ayan. So this is my makeup look na gagawin ko sa monthsary namin. And ayun, ganda-gandahan lang naman. Ayan. Tapos umuulan pala, dapat lalabas ako ngayon pero bigla siyang umulan. Dito na lang ako, mag-makeup pa ulit. So, ito ang panahon ngayon. Kita niyo ba? Bigla siyang bumuhos. So, yun lang. Bye! Order ko si Shopee. Palit na ako. Hi guys! So, nakuha ko na aking TikTok order. Bumili kasi ako ng bag. Kasi gusto ko kasi yung ganun-ganun na lang yung bag ko for everyday school ko. Eh gusto ko kasi yung pwede ko talaga siyang magamit. Kasi ginagamit ko tong Kate Spade bag ko. Kaso nga lang, ayoko kasi yung nilalapag-lapag ko siya sa baba, sa sahig. So, bumili na lang ako ng iba pang bag. And gusto ko rin kasi yung color pink. Kasi panlabas ko talaga yan. So, bumili ako from Boston. Yan, Boston. And ito mga 620 ko siya nakuha. 619 to be exact. Oh, it's so cute! Oh my gosh! See? Wow! Ayan siya. Wait, hindi ko siya mapakita ng full body. Pero, ayan siya. So, ito siya. Ayan, malaki siya. Feeling ko kasi yung iPad ko dito. Saka, try natin. So, this is my laptop. Ito yung laptop ko. 11 inches to. Ay, 13 ata. 13, mga 14. So, it's kasha. Kasha siya. But, hindi siya nasasagad. Pero, kasha siya. Ayan, hindi ko lang nga siya nasa-zipper. Kasha yung laptop ko. And of course, kasha rin ang 11-inch ko. Kasha din ang 11-inch ko na iPad. See? It's so cute! I love this. So, ito na yung lagi kong gagamitin. This is cool. So cute. Guys, tapos na akong mag-thirst trap sa TikTok and bigla akong nagutom. Kaya gagawa tayo ng cucumber salad. So first is we have a cucumber. So ang gagawin natin is i-chop lang natin yung eggs. Tapos paggaganunin lang natin sila para lumabas lang yung katas niya. Alam niyo ba, ang mahal ng pipino ngayon. Nagulat ako, 4 na pipino, naka 88 pesos ako. So, ayan, yung mga lumalabas. Kasugasan. Then, cut the other end ng cucumber. And gusto ko kasi sa cucumber salad ko, maliliit lang. So, ganyan ko siya. Tapos, hahatiin ko na siya ng thin slice. Mga ganyan siya kanipis. Ganyan. Parang nahulog. Ayan. So, lalagay na natin yung mga na-chop-chop natin sa bowl. Ayan na siya. Lalagyan ko na siya ng paminta, asukal, asin, saka lalagyan ko naman siya ng suka. So, konti lang yan. Dagdagan pa natin. Like that. Sasaliin lang. Yan. Sarap, sarap! Yan lang yung cucumber salad ko. Kain. Yan siya. So, bumili ako ng 2 tray ng itlog. And super bigat niya. So, nabili ko yung tray for 480 kasi isang tray is 240 and yeah. So, ngayon magluluto tayo ng egg with onions and yun na yung magiging dinner ko. Since diet din naman ako and nagtitipid ako, so yeah. So, maliit na hiwa lang. I mean, manipis na hiwa yung gagawin ko sa onions. So, napakaba. Tapos, magbabati na tayo ng so, ito yung mga na-crack na egg. So, unahin muna natin ilagay yung sibuyas. Please, talagay na natin. Ito na yung egg. At ngayon, pinapainit ko na lang yung rice. And then na.
What was the last actual exercise you got?
The other day when she tried to put that Fitbit on me and I ran away from her.
So, good morning guys. Ngayon ay August 7 and it's our 20th monthsary. Yeah, so nagluluto ako ngayon. Gagawa ko ng egg noodle soup, which is my favorite. So, ayan. Tapos, may binili kasi akong pipino na apakamahal. And As you can see, it's bendable. Ewan ko kung ano nangyari. Siguro may problem. Let's see. There's nothing wrong naman. I'll probably eat this first na lang. Sayang naman. So, ayun. I also made a chia seed with water. Tapos, baka hindi ko na muna siya lagyan ng yogurt since I'll be eating breakfast naman na. So, yun. So, I am ginaganito ko lang. Yung cucumber. Ay! Nasira! Because I'm trying to eat healthier these days. Okay. Gets ko kung ba't nasisira. Kasi nasa butong part na tayo. So, I'm also cooking actually. So, see? I'm multitasking. So, bye muna. So, ito yung food ko. I made an egg noodle soup and cucumber salad and chia seeds with water. Ayan. Nanood na ako ng Big Bang Theory. Bye-bye. Hi guys! So, tapos na ako mag-wash ng face and mag-brush ng teeth. So, ngayon, mag-prepare na ako. And para sa pasok ko mamaya, which is RL. So, magbaban ako. And, unahin muna natin yung makeup. So, ito our moisturizer. And then, sunscreen. This is my favorite sunscreen kasi hindi siya yung super nakaka-oily at the same time, hindi ako ina-acne dito. Kasi yung ibang sunscreen, talagang pinipimples ako and super oily ko. Ito yung pinakahiyang kong sunscreen. I haven't tried yung mga ibang Korean sunscreen kasi ang mahal nila. So, maybe someday. So, next is our foundation. Of course, ang favorite ko ay konting-konti lang. Like, yan. Ganyan lang siya kakunti dahil ayoko ng makapal na foundation sa school dahil panigurado pagpapawisan lang ako dun. So, ganyan lang siya. Konti lang. Pat-pat lang natin yung foundation. For my blush, I'll be using this too from Vice Cosmetics in the shade Always Sassy and Always Lovely. So, ayan. So, lalagay ko lang siya sa kamay ko. Kasi pigmented siya, so ayokong masobrahan naman yung blush ko. See? This one. Lagay lang tayo dito. Ito. And then, yung pink dito. Mix. Try nga natin i-mix. Ganyan siya pag minix. Tapos, konti lang sa eyelids. Yan. And then, let's blend using my fingers. Ah! Sobrang dami. Ayan. So, medyo itaas natin siya. I-lift natin siya. Mahilig talaga ako gumamit ng finger sa pagbablend ng products. for yung hair ko, for our final touch, I use this from Maybelline. And then, lalagay ko lang siya sa under eye ko, side ng nose. And then sa forehead. And, okay, done na talaga. So, this is the final look. So, mag-ano na tayo ng hair. Pero before that, magpapalit muna ako. So, hair na tayo ngayon. So, ito lang. Actually, ngayon ko pa lang siya itatry. Yung usually ko kasi na ginagamit is yung gel ko para sa buhok ko, which is itong curly yan. Pero, nasasayangan kasi ako kasi for ano ko siya for wavy hair ko siya. So, ito, talagang gel na to. Itong malaking tub na to, aabot to hanggang 4th year. So, bagong-bago pa siya. Ngayon ko pa lang siya open. Ooh, yan. So, para sa hair ko, ginagawa ko, 2 ipit siya. 1 hairnet and 2 black hair ties. So, ginagawa ko is, hahatiin ko siya sa gitna. Sa gitna, dapat pantay siya. Ganyan. Tapos, pantay. Ganyan. Ganyan siya. Ganyan ko siya. Gamit ko tong ganitong supply. Tapos gaganyan ko. May bangs kasi ako, yung naiinis nga ako. Pag-bangs-bangs pa kasi. Tapos yung isang hair tie, iipit ko na siya. Ipo-ponytail ko siya. Eh di, ayan, meron ng isa. So, ayan, ayusin lang natin. Okay. Tapos, sa pangalawa, saka ko na siya ibabang. Kasi super nipis na ng hair ko, kaya di na double band ko siya. Para magmukha naman makapal yung band ko. And then, hairnet. So, ganyan na siya sa likod. Tapos, gamitin na natin itong hair gel. Kukuha lang tayo. Konti lang naman, hindi naman super dami. So, ganyan. Tapos, ihahawin natin yung hair natin. Yung bangs. Ayan. So, since may bangs ako ngayon, mas mapapadami yung hair gel na ilalagay ko. Tapos, sa baba, mag-second layer pa tayo. Ayan. Press lang natin yung gel sa hair ko. Sa baba din. Tapos sa kabilang side. Ayan. So, ganyan lang siya. Ganyan ko lang inaano ang aking hair. Tapos, of course, yung baba. So, next is ito. Gagawin naman natin siya. Kukomb natin siya para maganda yung itsura niya. Saka para manuot yung hair gel sa buhok ko at hindi na lumabas ang baby bangs ko at mga bangs ko talaga. So, ganyan lang naman yung ipit ko. So, ayun. Done na. Alis na ako mamaya-maya. Ayusin ko lang yung dorm ko and everyday look ko to kapag RLE namin and duty kasi kailangan naka-bond kami palagi. So, as you can see, talagang ganyan ako mag-makeup. Makapal talagang makeup sa school. And hindi ako nakakapasok ng walang makeup sa school. Yes. I'm a makeup girly. You will never see me without any makeup on sa school. So, yeah. Punta na akong school. Date lang kami ngayon. Ay.
Ganyan tayo. Ganyan tayo.
Kinukuha na niya Shopee ko, guys. Hinintay muna namin Shopee ko bago kami umalis. Habang ako dito, waiting lang.
Laki naman ang dildo mo.
Ang ina mo. Where's the cat? Down there. Wow! So yummy!
Ako ba?
Pakita mo.
Ay, kala ko. Yung mga ano, ASMR.
tayo?
Subo mo.
So, nakauwi na kami galing sa date namin ngayon. And tutulog na ako. Sumaga pa yung pasok. Ayun lang. Morning! So, ngayon ay Friday. And I woke up at 5 a.m. Pero nag-TikTok muna ako. So, ngayon, 5:20 na. I will make a quick breakfast lang. So, noodles with eggs. So, ganun lang. 6:10 a.m. na siya. And may makeup na ako. So, bye.
Of what ancient Egypt sounded like. We are able to phonetically reconstruct what it sounded like. And modern tests on this have suggested that, in fact, the human growth hormone that is so increased in their social lives. We know that the Egyptians drank a ton of beer and quite a bit of wine as well. This nested shrines built around the body of the king, who's buried not just in one gold coffin, but in ancient Egypt to its original polytheistic religion and opened the temples again. The fact that he was short-lived, not well known in later Egypt, probably contributed to the fact that his tomb was preserved. Nobody thought, it's not that we've lost the ability. At sea, pyramids of Egypt match those in Mexico. The pyramids in Egypt don't actually match the pyramids in Mexico. They are different in substantial ways. The king is buried in a small chamber underneath the pyramid in Egypt. The pyramids, as you see them today, look like giant staircases. They're a little bit rough, and that's not how they would have looked anciently. So the formative on the modern world, we could talk, for instance, about the mobile writing platform of papyrus. We write on paper, which is a Chinese invention, but that writing should be done by a pen and that you should be able to send it somewhere easily. That is something the Egyptians absolutely pioneered. Ancient Egyptian mud brick architecture was so amazing that the ancient Egyptian word for brick has actually, the inscription tells us, but we read this, Hetep di Nesu, and N-Ka-N, for the Ka of Amenemhat, the name of this guy. So N-Ka-N Amenemhat Mes and Eep. And resins, and we also know that they used forms of salt that were naturally occurring in the desert to dry the body out. We know, for instance, that they would remove the internal organs. Internal organs are mushy. If you're going to rot, it's going to be because there's so much water in your internal organs. So you take those out and mummify them separately. In some periods, they were placed in jars. Oftentimes, the heart is protected by the placement of an amulet in the form of a heart that is placed over that part of the body. Ancient Egyptians didn't care that much about the brain, and often the brain was in fact removed from the skull cavity before a mummy was interred. At Miss Jenny asks, acted through the nose, and we have metal hooks that we think were used by jamming them up to break the nose bone, scramble the brain so that it's more, and the hook on that metal, you pull it out through the nose. Wanted a copy of, because it's spells that allow him to get into the afterlife and be successful there. That is like a cheat sheet for getting into the hell. The Egyptians associated that image with the rising sun, and they gave the scarab credit.
Makeup and hair done. So, ayan yung makeup. Medyo cutie-cutie lang, hindi na ako nag-eyeliner, tas light foundation and concealer lang. Pero maraming powder, of course, dahil oily ako eh. So, yan. So, nakauwi na ako from art class and ngayon, bibili lang ako ng grocery and para may maluto akong ulam mamaya. So, yun lang. So, nag-journal lang ako and I drank my coffee. So, my tea. And ubos ko na siya. Ayan, naubos ko na yung tea ko. Ayan. I'm just having a me time right now and ayun, nagsusulat ako sa journal ko and nag-reflect lang ako sa nangyari ngayong araw. And I'm just very grateful because, you know, I'm very blessed. I am surrounded by lovely people. I have a boyfriend. I have my own dorm. And my family is healthy. I am healthy, so I'm just very grateful sa life ko right now. So, ayan.
What are you gonna do?
I'm going to find her and ask her to marry me. If she says yes, we can put this behind us and resume our relationship. If she says no...
Guys, mag-propose si Sheldon, pero nakita ni Sheldon si Amy may katis na ibang guy.
You're worried you're making French toast on oatmeal day?
Elon Musk!
I was on the turkey line, but I got demoted for being too generous with the gravy.